little video from Perks to show you how to fully shut down your PC and how to make your Ethernet a little more stable. For the shutdown shortcut here, you go to right click on your desktop, shortcut, new shortcut. You type in shutdown.exe space /s space /f. And those two are for the shutting down and force shutdown options. Don't worry about that. And this is the optional part, /t, and that's for time of delay. And you put in a value, in my case, 5 seconds, of which how much delay you want to have before the thing actually shuts down on you. All right? All right. I already have one copy of it. I don't need two. I'll delete that one. There we go. For the network, you simply go to your network icon here. Could be Wi-Fi, could be Ethernet. There you go. Go here. Shows this. Change adapter options. Check that. And then we go right click properties on whichever you want. And you go configure advanced. And feel free to pause this video in any part of it here. And I'll just read it out. Advanced EEE. That's the value here. ARP offload. There you go. Auto disable gigabit. There you go. Energy efficient Ethernet. There you go. Flow control. There you go. Gigabit light. There you go. Green Ethernet. There you go. Interrupt moderation. There you go. IPv4 checksum offload. There you go. Turbo frame. There you go. Large send offload for IPv4. There you go. And for the IPv6, there you go. Maximum number of RSS queues. I believe that's the maximum, so 4 queues. And network address, did not touch that. I'll just move that up forward. There you go. Oh, NS offload. There you go. Power saving mode. There you go. Priority VLAN. There you go. Receive buffers, set that to your maximum value. Receive side scaling, disabled. Shut down wake on LAN, there you go. Speed and duplex, auto negotiate. There should be more efficient values for this, but for basic stuff, this should be good enough. TCP checksum offload, IPv4, there you go. Same story here with IPv6. And for transmit buffers, just set that at your maximum value. And then UDP checksum offload, IPv4, there you go. For IPv6, there you go. Magic, wake on magic packet. Let me see, click that. There you go. And then the last 3, wake on magic packet when system is blah, blah, blah. There you go, disabled. Wake on pattern match, there you go. And WOL and shutdown link speed. There you go. No speeding down, please. Thank you very much. All right. Well, if you found this video helpful, go, subscribe or whatever. And leave a like or comment if you find better settings. Thanks. Bye.